Hi everyone, this Akaso Brave 7LE camera and this microphone is what was recommended to me. Well, I'm doing reboxing and returning because you need basically a C adapter to make it work, and it's not what I had thought, and so I'm going to return it and work with the camera I have for now and do a lot more research. This is a highly recommended camera. You know, if you're going to be doing a lot of stuff where you don't have to worry about a mic, it'll be fine. So I'm glad that I didn't go through with the full unboxing since I am reboxing. To return, I will be getting another camera. At some point I'll do an unboxing of that camera, what I finally decided to go with. For now, I hope you folks have a great day. See you in the next one.